Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see a wiring harness connected to the bulb. Carefully disconnect this electrical connector by pressing a tab and pulling it off. Next, remove any dust covers or retaining clips that hold the bulb in place. Some models might have a small screw or spring clip to release. With the old bulb exposed, gently twist or pull it straight out from its housing. Be careful, as it might be hot. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers. Oils from your skin can create hot spots and significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb and replace any dust covers or retaining clips you removed. Close the hood and turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. If it doesn't light up, double-check all connections. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.